up. A God alone can come tell me so the wall are over the life there, no fish up. Cause once a man straight like arrow, a man now stay upon alive and listen to another man attack some blood clot fishy things. Once a man fish up, a straight man not even a stay upon another straight man life and shoot for a straight man if the straight man they play a batty man. Oh. Bad man Jaydenn for what? Bad man Jaydenn them for what? Bad man Jaydenn them for what? Me a bad man money. What me a bad man Jaydenn money for? Straight from my pitney life, Jaydenn now make more than me. You see me on TikTok and a TikTok alone pay me. Not true me now come out come telling them my business. Please. I true me now come on the app come telling them my business. A TikTok alone a feed them. I'm glad for TikTok, but on a TikTok alone a feed me at the moment. At the moment. My side hustler give me more than the blood clot app. What? I can go up on my side hustler and make 10 grand immediately. I can go up on my side hustle right now and make 10 grand immediately and then come back on TikTok and make a next 10 grand. This life has nothing to do about me but Jaydenn bad mind. Him bad mind the little girl for true. And it's sweet me how Rebel take the blood clot #1 spot. It's sweet me. And tell him so him not really want to send him people them over here for spam. Jaydenn, please. I will give TikTok 1 month. I will give the live out a 1 month break and I will study the app. Well, you don't really want Ivany to go there, so honestly, you probably have to go pay a man America for kill me. Because me make you have a bill page. Jaydenn, let me go back to being most wanted. Let me stay being Ivany. Or what them call me? What my nickname what them call me? Brenda. Let me stay enough being Brenda. Now make me have to go back go be Ivany most wanted. You no really no want to tell me I have to go be most wanted. Because I'm not going to make a mistake come life and say me take your page, you know, because that will send me to prison. But we just make you have to make, you just have to make page. A make page. Can't keep a page. Now make me have to take 1 month out of the app. Because my April rent done pay for. Now make me have to not come back live tonight and study app. Please don't make me have to do it. Please don't make me have to turn back Ivany most wanted. And when you send the people them over, you have to comment bad mind, it now do nothing to me live. Please. Learn about TikTok. You spamming the live, it's not gonna do my live anything. It's not. The only thing I got at me is TikTok. I got tell us you can't comment, you comment more than 1 time. That's it. You reporting my live can't come down because TikTok I got say me nah do nothing. You can't report it for nudity because me nah show nothing. You can't report it for bullying because me nah say no words I'm enough to say. So be wiser than that. But I just pray for me. I don't know you're young. I regularly me there with my man, them left them and go back to them. Nobody can tell me not go back to the boy. Just like how we not tell you can go back to the friends, the boy. But I hope at one point you can open your eyes and say you sleep with the devil. That's the only way I can say it to you honestly. Because Jaydenn, them are some boy where you're there with them bring you in the spotlight, but when them feel like say you get a little bit too close to the line with them there. Them feel like them need for cancel you. It's like them the man there's like them there with you. Jaydenn, Mr. Jaydenn as a person where like you and him make money, but you're not supposed to make more than him. Him teach you a trade, but you're not supposed to master the trade more than him. You and him got a party, him for buy the buckle and you drink after. You not for buy the buckle and him drink after. You and him make money on TikTok. Him supposed to make a portion. You can probably the little under him, but not above him. As some see him. Him bring in the spotlight for get views. For him views for high, but you're one not for higher than him. The moment you start, the better than him is the moment you and him crash and you and him now go good. As some see Jaydenn. And as so Ice father did stay, and that's why it could work. And that's why it could work. So the only thing I can say, Mama, you're young. You want to go back to your man 1,000 times? That's your problem. Because 1,000 times I always run go back to mind them. But I hope one day it will open your eyes, say, you're asleep with the blood clot devil. You're asleep with the devil when I want to see you prosper. Because there is no blood clot way. Me can deal with a man. And a man can come off and blood clot like one day for me get. I lick Jaydenn, you fuck.